Looking for a delicious, high-protein treat that's both healthy and easy to make? Let's whip up a creamy cottage banana cheese pudding. Start with 1 large ripe banana and mash it in a bowl until smooth. Add half a cup of cottage cheese and a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Mix well until creamy and smooth. For an even silkier texture, you can use a hand blender. Now stir in 1 scoop of protein powder, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and honey or maple syrup if you like it sweeter. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for thickness and fiber. Mix everything until well combined. Pop your pudding in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes, or even overnight, to let it thicken up. When you're ready to enjoy, serve it cold and top with sliced bananas, crushed walnuts or almonds, granola, or a drizzle of peanut butter. Each serving packs in plenty of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and potassium to keep you fueled and satisfied. Give this high-protein cottage banana cheese pudding a try and treat yourself to a nutritious, guilt-free dessert. Recipe by your name or channel if available.